Hello there, welcome to Mike's Bar Grill Garage number 3. This is Mike coming at you from the basement shop. Alright, so this is the nail gun. So to load it, here's some 1/2-inch galvanized staples. So take and just push this button, pull that trigger, and then slide this back. For the staples, you put them it goes over this rail right here, and so it goes down in there. After you've loaded it, slide them forward, and then slide the magazine back until it clicks. Ouch. So you can see that it's clicked back in place, can't go anywhere else, and you can see the staples in there. To use it, let's see. Where'd you go? To use it, basically, it's just like hooking up water lines, and then it's your standard air compressor. Quick connects. Pull the collar down, slip it in, and then let the collar go. Give it a tug, make sure it's on there. Right now I've got the line pressure set at 80 PSI. So I'm gonna shoot it into some 2x4 that I've got to make sure that's going to penetrate deep enough. So to use it, just take and I'm going to push that piece down all the way, and then just, actually, yeah, it should be good. This is for the 1/2-inch staple. So that should be good. So I'll just keep it on 80. And then to adjust it, just grab this. If it's not going in too deep or if it's going in too far, just take and turn this knob. And we're going to go up just to, actually we'll go down. So you can see that the line pressure dropped. Let's see what it does on that. Oh, actually, does pretty good. So after, I don't know how many staples it takes to make it kick on, but it will eventually kick on. So now I'm going to turn it back up. I'm just turning the line knob back up. And you can see that it just jumps back up. So I'm just going to leave it on that. And for whatever reason, if it jams or something gets hung up in it, release take the airline off by just pulling the collar back. And then unload it, which would be like that. Take your staples out, and then you can flip this down, pull that down, and it allows you to access in there to get to where it usually jams up. I've only had it jam like once or twice at the most. So, and then to close it, just push it back down. Sorry, it's motion sick. So then you just want to hook the loop back over these two teeth, 1 and 2, and then just close it. And then staples back in. And then just, there you go. Reconnect the airline, pull the collar down, slide it in, push kind of hard, and then let go of the collar. Tug, tug, tug. And oops. Back off and running. Oops. So there you go. And then make sure that the exhaust on this thing, you can see the two, and see the hole right there. That's where it's going to exhaust at. Don't be scared. You can see some oil's already coming out of it where I just oiled it. So just keep this, and you can rotate this any which way you want, but usually you want it, you don't want it blasting you in the face with air. So there you have it. Hit the like button, subscribe, whatever you want to do. If not, I understand. But there you go. If you have any questions, you got my phone number. Talk to you later. Bye.